St. Thomas Church 120th year celebration and late Soundarraj Memorial Tournament, Fives football tournament was held in KGF Municipality Ground. Organized by St. Thomas Church and Youth Fellowship, V3 Vitri Veerar Volleyball under the leadership of Marshal Treasurer, St. Thomas Church, Reverend Rajesh Kumar J, Secretary Guneshekaran and Youth Fellowship members. Totally 10 teams from different churches across KGF participated in this tournament. St. Thomas Church, Kirbalayam Church, Messiah Church, St. John's Church, Good Shepherd Tamil Church, Christ the Xavier Church, Good Shepherd Telugu Church, Matthew's Church, St. Luke's Church, My Redeemer's Church, St. Peter's Church.